What's good? It's GFAM back again with another one, and today's review is
OOWEE WAVY Master P Honey Barbecue, Mr. Hootie Hoo himself.
Make him say, what he got this honey barbecue though?
I mean, you can't go wrong with honey barbecue, regardless of how you try to.
No, his son got like, oh, he is a crunchy. That's why they're different. He got the wavy.
Yes.
I'm just
You
saying.
finna do too much. You finna do too much.
But anyway, we about to get this a review, 0 out of 5. And if y'all like what you see, like and subscribe. Go and pop that top and let's get into this review. And y'all know we love rap snacks.
For sure.
You open them up with such elegance.
He said there's no limit to success.
You gotta find that ice cream.
And the noodles.
I'm just getting a regular chip vibe so far, you know.
So this is what they look like, y'all. Honey barbecue.
Regular, you know, honey barbecue.
Don't get you one.
Give me one of these jokes. One thing I like, they don't tell the roots of your mouth. Like some ruffled chips be like.
They good. They got plenty of flavor.
Got a smooth honey barbecue taste.
What do?
Kind of remind me of them golden flakes.
Mm-hmm.
That mesquite.
No, sweet heat.
Sweet
My
heat.
bad. Sweet heat. Yeah. That was called sweet heat.
Oh, yeah. These taste better. A lot better.
These are definitely 5 out of 5.
I already didn't give me time to egg, so she just went straight into it.
I mean,
5 out of 5 for her.
and so you know I gotta tell you what sandwich they go with.
5 out of 5 for me as well.
So what sandwich they go with?
Any sandwich at this point, turkey, ham, bologna,
Hot
smoked
dog.
sausage sandwich, whatever you want to call it. They go with anything.
These 5.
Even a meatball sub can go with this. That look pretty good.
Meatballs good.
It'll go with that too.
Five out of 5, y'all.
Rap snacks, y'all keep them in rotation.
Right. Well, where you find these at?
I don't know, I think you brought these in. I ain't find these.
Oh, I know.
Them.
Found them at Happy Mart.
Wow. Well, that's a review for today. GFAM, what a week.
We are out.
We